What are physical quantities? Basically, anything that we can measure is known as a physical quantity. Keep in mind, each physical quantity has both a magnitude, numerical value, and an appropriate unit. Let's take an example. See this man here. Suppose his height is 2 meter. In this case, 2 is the magnitude of size and meter is the unit of measurement. Since we can measure height, that means length is a physical quantity. Next example, look at this clock. Assume it shows 10 seconds. Here, 10 is the numerical value and seconds is the unit of time. Time can be measured, so it's also a physical quantity. Now, consider vegetables or fruits. Let's say their weight is 3 kilograms. Here, 3 is the magnitude and kg is the standard unit of mass. Mass can be measured, so that too is a physical quantity. So, always remember, anything measurable is a physical quantity. Here's a bonus. What is not a physical quantity? Any number without a unit does not count as a physical quantity. For instance, take numbers like 12, 13, 14. They are just values with no units, so they don't qualify. But if you write 12 kg, 13 seconds or 14 meters, then you have a unit along with the number. So now they become physical quantities. Kg is mass, second is time, meter is length, each measurable. So keep this bonus question in mind. Now let's talk about types. Physical quantities are split into two types, base quantities and derived quantities. So what are base physical quantities? They are the 7 fundamental quantities from which all other measurements are built. These include length, time, mass, electrical current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Now, what about derived physical quantities? They are formed by combining base quantities using multiplication or division. Example, divide length by time, you get speed, a derived quantity. Example 2, multiply length into length, you get area, also a derived quantity. Example 3, multiply mass into speed, this gives momentum. Here, mass is base, speed is derived, and their product is another derived quantity. So, remember, base plus base equals derived, and base into derived can also result in a derived quantity. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our Get Skill Up channel for more educational info.